Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple positions opened in NTT data. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. This is like NTT data official career phase. Let's discuss about the requirement process. This position is for like Associate DevOps Engineer. Location they mention like Bangalore. So this is like for digital design and also development. Hybrid working they mentioned. So you have to work like 3 days in office, and it's a full-time opportunity, guys. Let's discuss more about this entity data requirement. So here they mention like as you are joining as a entry level, so you have to like subject matter expert and responsible for consulting with the internal clients, and also like you have to like less complex software technology environment also you have to know. Second point they mention like working under general supervision. So this specific role is for support with the translating business requirement into like technology terms, and also develops algorithm and programming code for software solution. So the objective of this particular role like they mention to design and test, implement, maintain the software code, and enables like computer system to perform the specific task. Let's like discuss about more like details about this particular responsibility, what is required for this particular position. So they mention like work closely with the platform specialist, so you have to work with your like senior colleagues so on the leads, so you will get some more idea to receive like detailed business and user requirements specification that identify the goal of this program. So here like assign with the preparation of technical requirement document. So you have to prepare a technical requirement document including the system and also flow chart that diagrammatically like show how the information will flow from the through the computer, and also peripheral also related equipment also you will learn. Next point like you have to support with the analysis of business requirement. So whatever client is providing the requirement to you, right? So you have to follow that one and ensure like the design solution meet those requirements. So whatever customer is providing the requirement and whatever you are doing the development, that must be matched with the business requirement. Next point they mention like support transformation detail requirement and completes. So you have to like give your proper support to like perform the detail requirement into the complete design document to focus like how to deliver requirement functionally. So here like technical specification based on their design for the developers and IT programmers to implement. So few more high level points let me show you. Support all the code set and implement that have already implemented in the production. Occurrence like define like service level agreement for the business. So here you have to like give your proper support, writing and distributing the task description in the production environment to operate and maintain the solution that has been designed and implemented. These are like some high level points. They mention like what is the responsibility and what they are expecting from the candidate. So they have to follow this much of steps. Now they are adding like a few more condition like as you are joining as a entry level, so you have to like explore more about multi technology application, digital your best practices, and also it's best for your future guys like if you explore more technology, developing like ability to holistic views and application environment including like hardware platform, application database, and operating system storage also required. So here like you have to developing like ability to work with abstract concept and also sound problem solving. As you are joining as a entry level DevOps engineer, at least you have to explore more about like how to problem solving and how like the particular like task you have to do the analysis, that at least basic understanding you must have. Here they mention like entry level technical understanding of development platform engineering, as I mentioned already. Next go through the next part like excellent in client centricity with the ability to focus on business outcome. So you have to focus on the client requirement and also business outcome also you have to plan accordingly. So main point also let's discuss like this one, ability to demonstrate like attention to detail and work well with the team environment. So you have to work with your colleagues and work with your team leaders, work with your like lead, work with your seniors, so you will get more idea about this particular task. So here one more point, entry level knowledge also required to design and implement, maintain the continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD pipelines. As you are like a DevOps engineer, so everyone know like some basic understanding about CI/CD pipelines to automate the software build, test and deployment process. Entry level like knowledge and experience also required for deployments, release management across the environment. So this is like as every corporate is using, like while you are deploying your code to the higher environment. So at least some basic understand required how to do deployments, how to create a release through release management portal. These are like some basic understanding must be you have. Entry level like knowledge also required to automating the tooling and source code repository. So as you know, like while developing your code, you have to push that code to Git, right? So that kind of thing, and also you have to use any automation tool to automate your process. What is your like academic qualification and certification required for this particular position? So as I mentioned, like it's required bachelor degree or equivalent in information related or related fields is required for applying for this particular position. Relevant DevOps certification also preferred. Relevant Agile related certification also preferred. So as you know, like it's a DevOps engineer, so you have to like explore more about the cloud platform, that is like AWS, Azure and GCP. Relevant certification, it's a plus point if you have like Bash scripting and also Python and Ruby. What is the required experience is required for this, as you are joining as a fresher, so at least you have idea about like software deployment and support, and also like how we can like software solution to the client and outsourcer and similar IT environment. And also you must be have to work with multi-team environment across multiple geographics. Also you at least you have some basic understanding required, as you are like joining as a DevOps engineer, so you have to know at least how to like follow the agile process such as like Scrum Master and Kanban. So these are like some like full details which I explained now. I hope this is clear for everyone. If you are interested and want to like apply for this particular position, click this apply now. So it will redirect into this particular page. So here you have to either you have to apply through LinkedIn or you have to upload through CV. And below like some basic understanding, you can fill that one. I hope like this video is helpful for you guys. Still, if you have any query and concern, kindly comment in the comment box. In my available time, I will reply for your message. Thank you so much like those who are watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.